Rosemary. Rosemary is an amazing herb known for its rich aroma and diverse benefits. From ancient times to the present day, it has been widely used in cooking, medicine, and aromatherapy. In this video, we will delve into the origins and history of rosemary, its nutritional components and health benefits, its different varieties and characteristics, cultivation and care, and its applications in cooking. Let's explore together the many ways we can incorporate rosemary into our daily lives. The origins and history of rosemary. Rosemary is a perennial herb native to the coastal regions of the Mediterranean, with a history that dates back to ancient times. In ancient Greece and Rome, rosemary was highly valued as an herb believed to enhance memory. Students would wear sprigs of rosemary before exams. Additionally, rosemary symbolized love and loyalty and was used in wedding decorations and as gifts. During medieval Europe, rosemary played a significant role in many religious rituals and treatments. It was hung at the entrances of homes as a charm to ward off evil, and it was burned to prevent illness. Because of this historical significance, rosemary became known as the herb of remembrance, a title that remains relevant today. Even now, rosemary is widely used in aromatherapy for its relaxing and concentration-boosting effects. Today, rosemary is cultivated worldwide and is used in a variety of dishes and beverages. Its strong aroma and flavor make it ideal for meat dishes and soups. Rosemary is also popular in gardening and as an ornamental plant. Its beautiful blue-violet flowers brighten gardens, while its fragrant leaves are utilized in cooking and as dried flowers. Nutritional components and health benefits of rosemary. Rosemary is known not only for its distinctive aroma but also for its rich nutritional components and health benefits. First, rosemary contains nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and iron. These nutrients help boost the immune system, maintain bone health, and prevent anemia. Moreover, rosemary has powerful antioxidant properties, which help eliminate free radicals in the body. In addition, rosemary possesses anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it beneficial for alleviating symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. For example, rosemary essential oil is often used to relieve muscle and joint pain. The scent of rosemary also helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation, making it popular in aromatherapy and massage oils. There are many ways to incorporate rosemary into your daily life. Aside from adding it to your cooking, drinking it as herbal tea is highly recommended. Fresh rosemary tea aids digestion and has a warming effect on the body. Additionally, using a diffuser with rosemary essential oil fills your space with a refreshing fragrance while providing relaxation. In this way, rosemary is a versatile herb that supports your health. Cultivation and care of rosemary. Rosemary is a relatively easy herb to grow, making it a great choice for beginners. First, rosemary prefers a sunny location. It requires at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. With enough sunlight, the leaves will grow thick and fragrant. Additionally, rosemary is drought-tolerant and thrives in well-drained soil, so it's important to avoid excessive moisture. The basic rule for watering is to give the plant plenty of water when the surface of the soil dries out. Especially in potted plants, choosing soil with good drainage and avoiding overwatering helps prevent root rot. In winter, reduce the frequency of watering, ensuring that the soil is almost dry before the next watering. Rosemary also prefers a well-ventilated environment, so avoid overcrowding the plants and provide enough space between them. Pruning is essential for maintaining the health of rosemary and ensuring a good harvest. From spring to summer, pinching off the tips of new shoots encourages branching, which increases the yield of leaves. Additionally, pruning helps prevent pests and diseases, improves airflow, and supports healthy growth. Cultivating rosemary is not very labor-intensive, allowing you to enjoy its care as part of your daily routine. Culinary uses of rosemary. Rosemary is a versatile herb used in many dishes for its strong aroma and flavor. It pairs exceptionally well with meat dishes, enhancing the flavors of roasted lamb, chicken, and beef. For example, stuffing fresh rosemary sprigs into roast chicken spreads a fragrant aroma, creating a mouth-watering dish. Rosemary is also perfect for adding flavor to bread and focaccia. Kneading chopped rosemary into the dough adds a refreshing aroma when baked. Additionally, you can infuse olive oil with rosemary to create a richly flavored oil, perfect for dressings and marinades. In this way, rosemary has the power to elevate simple dishes. You can even use rosemary in desserts. For example, making a rosemary-infused syrup to drizzle over ice cream or fruit salad offers an unexpected flavor combination. Finely chopping rosemary leaves and adding them to cookie or cake batter results in fragrant, delicious desserts. Thus, rosemary is a versatile herb that enhances a wide range of dishes in various ways. Conclusion: rosemary, with its rich history and versatile uses, is an essential part of our lives. Not only is it packed with health benefits and nutritional value, but it is also widely used in cooking, gardening, and aromatherapy. I hope that through this video, you've rediscovered the charm of rosemary and found new ways to incorporate it into your daily life. Growing rosemary and using it in your cooking allows you to fully enjoy its health benefits and unique flavor. Rosemary is a wonderful herb that brings both fragrance and health to your life. By incorporating rosemary into your daily cooking and lifestyle, you can enrich your time at home. Whether you use it to add a finishing touch to your dishes or to relax with its calming aroma in aromatherapy, there are countless ways to benefit from this amazing herb. Experience the beauty of rosemary and enjoy the rewards it brings to your everyday life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.